Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically this is the quick release mechanism for the strap. And to take off the strap, you simply pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, you will be able to take out the strap. Same for the other side. Pull on the lever and take out the strap. And how it works is quite simple. Basically, we have two pins on each side of the strap, and those pins are locked inside of the hole on the watch, or holes rather, because we have on each side one. And how it works is when you pull on the lever, it basically retracts this pin, and once it retracts, it releases the strap from the hole right here, and you can pull it out. That's how it works. Quite simple mechanism. One of the best in my opinion because it's simple and it works very well. Okay, and once you get the straps, the new straps, and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. You grab the strap, you grab the watch, you take the side further away from the lever, you take this side, put it in the hole on the watch, like this, then you pull on the lever to retract the other pin. Once you retract it, you align it with the other hole and release the lever, and it should click in, and once it does, it should hold. Quite simple and fast. So put it right here, retract the pin, align it, release it, and we have it on. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.